Did you know that the value of ETFs is projected to reach an astounding $50 trillion by 2025? It's true. We're witnessing a financial revolution, and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are at the heart of it. These investment wonders have been gaining traction at an explosive rate, promising a future where portfolio diversification is not just a luxury, but a standard. Let's put that 50 trillion into perspective. That's more than the combined GDP of the United States, China, and Japan. It's clear that ETFs are not just a passing fad, but a financial force to be reckoned with. Why are ETFs so exciting? They offer a slew of benefits to investors. These include broad diversification, transparency, and lower costs compared to traditional mutual funds, all of which make them a compelling choice for any savvy investor. Now that we've whet your appetite with the potential of ETFs, let's dive into 4 specific ones that could make your portfolio perfect in 2025. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. SCHG, or Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, has been a consistent performer over the years. Let's take a deep dive into why this fund is an attractive prospect for investors seeking to build a robust portfolio in 2025. The Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF is a classic example of a growth fund, focusing primarily on large cap stocks or companies with a market capitalization of $10 billion or more. These are typically well-established companies with a proven track record of success, and a key characteristic of these companies, they're often leaders in their respective sectors, continually innovating and expanding their market share. Now, why does this matter? Well, investing in large cap stocks can provide a level of stability that's often lacking in smaller, more volatile companies. This stability can be particularly attractive during uncertain economic times. And let's face it, in the world of investing, there's always a degree of uncertainty, but it's not just about stability. Large cap stocks can also offer significant growth potential, and the SCHG has a proven track record in this regard. Over the past decade, the SCHG has consistently outperformed the broader market, delivering impressive returns for its investors. Looking ahead to 2025, there's every reason to believe that the SCHG will continue this trend of strong performance. Why? Because the fund's focus on large-cap growth stocks positions it well to capitalize on the ongoing technological revolution. Think about it. Many of the largest companies today are tech giants, driving innovation and growth across multiple sectors. And as technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, these companies are poised to reap the benefits. In conclusion, the Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, or SCHG, offers an attractive combination of stability and growth potential. Its focus on large cap stocks, particularly those in the tech sector, positions it well for success in the future. So, if you're looking to build a robust portfolio in 2025, the SCHG is a solid choice for those seeking growth and stability in their portfolio. VUO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, replicates the performance of the S&P 500 and is often considered a safe bet. It's like having a piece of the entire US stock market right in your pocket. But why is VUO often seen as a safe bet? Well, the answer lies in its design. VUO is built to track the S&P 500, an index comprising 500 of the largest US companies. These companies are the backbone of the US economy, and as the economy grows, so too do these companies. This means that by investing in VUO, you're essentially investing in the growth and prosperity of the US economy. But besides its broad exposure, another reason why VUO is considered a safe bet is its stability. Unlike individual stocks, which can be subject to wild price swings, VUO's price is anchored by the collective performance of 500 companies. This diversification helps to smooth out the bumps in the road, providing a more stable investment journey. Moreover, VUO's low expense ratio is another plus point. At just 4 basis points or 4 cents for every $100 invested, it's one of the cheapest ways to get exposure to the US stock market. This low cost means more of your money goes towards your investment, potentially leading to higher returns over time. Now, let's talk about returns. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of around 7%, adjusted for inflation. While past performance is not a guarantee of future results, this does give us an indication of the kind of steady returns one could expect from an ETF like VUO. So, to sum it all up, VOO offers broad exposure to the US stock market, stability through diversification, a low expense ratio, and the potential for steady returns. It's a sort of set-it-and-forget-it investment, perfect for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. For those seeking a safer bet with consistent returns, VOO is a solid choice. DGRO, the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, focuses on companies that are not just paying dividends, but growing them. This statement marks the beginning of our exploration into the world of DGRO. With a unique strategy, this ETF puts a spotlight on firms that have a record of increasing their dividends over time. So, why is this important? Dividend growth is an indicator of a company's financial health. A firm that consistently increases its dividends is likely to be financially stable, profitable, and confident about its future growth prospects. Moreover, companies that grow their dividends often do so because they have strong cash flows, another positive sign for investors. The beauty of DGRO lies in its strategy. It's not solely about the highest yielding stocks or the biggest companies. Rather, it's about companies that have shown a consistent and sustainable ability to grow their dividends. This approach provides a level of protection against the volatility of the market, as these companies are often more resilient during economic downturns. But what does this mean for you as an investor? It means that DGRO can provide a steady income stream, which can be especially attractive during periods of low interest rates. Additionally, because these are companies that are growing, there's the potential for capital appreciation as well. Now let's talk about the long haul. Investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And in the marathon of investing, DGRO is like your steadfast running partner. It's consistent, it's reliable, and it has a proven track record. Over time, the power of compounding dividends can lead to significant wealth accumulation. So if you're looking for a long-term investment that offers potential for both income and growth, DGRO could be a solid choice. Just remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks, and it's crucial to do your homework before making any investment decisions. But if you're looking for a way to tap into the growth of profitable, dividend-paying companies, DGRO could be worth a closer look. DGRO is an excellent choice for those looking for dividend growth and long-term investment. As we journey further into the world of ETFs, keep your eyes peeled for more insights that can help shape your investment strategy. JEPI, or the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, aims to generate income for its investors. This is not just an ETF, it's an income generator, a financial tool designed to put your money to work. But how does JEPI work, you may ask? Let's delve into its strategy. JEPI follows an innovative approach called the Equity Premium Income Strategy. This strategy combines the potential for capital appreciation from owning equities with an income stream from selling call options. In simple terms, it's like owning a piece of a company and getting paid for it. The income comes from premiums collected from selling call options, which are essentially contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy shares at a specified price within a particular time frame. This strategy is particularly appealing because it generates income regardless of the market's direction. Whether the market rises, falls, or stays flat, JEPI continues to produce income from the option premiums. It's like having a safety net, ensuring a steady flow of income. Now let's talk about JEPI's potential for 2025. With its robust income-generating strategy, JEPI is well positioned to take advantage of market volatility. The more volatile the market, the higher the option premiums, translating to more income for JEPI investors. In a world where interest rates are low and traditional income sources are scarce, JEPI offers a promising alternative. JEPI also provides diversification, investing in a broad range of sectors and companies. This means it's not overly dependent on any single industry or company's performance, offering a balanced and resilient portfolio. In conclusion, JEPI is more than just another ETF. It's an instrument that uses a unique strategy to generate income, offering a buffer against market uncertainties and a steady income stream. For those looking for income generation in their portfolio, JEPI is a great choice. Now that we've explored these 4 ETFs, you have the tools to make a perfect portfolio in 2025. So let's do a quick recap. SCHG offers an exciting growth potential, focusing on companies that are set to skyrocket. VOO, on the other hand, is your safe bet, providing a stable ground with the S&P 500's biggest and best. Then we have DGRO, It's all about the long haul, offering consistent dividend growth to cushion your portfolio. Last but not least, GEPI is your income generator, providing a steady stream of income with its high-yield investments. Each of these ETFs brings a unique strength to your portfolio. But remember, they are most powerful when used together, complementing each other to balance risk and maximize return. Remember, investment decisions should always be based on your personal goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tune in next time for more investment insights.